The Alabama Supreme Court's ruling that frozen embryos are children is sending shockwaves through the state and the nation, leaving people trying to become parents through infertility treatments anxious and in limbo.
We had paid our clinic in full. We had purchased all of our medication.
Gabrielle Goydell and her husband spent more than $20,000 on in vitro fertilization treatments after 3 miscarriages.
And to be told that there was a possibility that we would have to stop this in the middle of one of the most important parts of it is really terrifying.
The Supreme Court's ruling came down on Friday in response to lawsuits filed by 3 couples whose embryos were accidentally destroyed. The court finding that frozen embryos are children and anyone who destroys them can be held liable for wrongful death. Critics, including the White House, warned of broader implications.
This is exactly the type of chaos that we expected when the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade.
Wednesday, the University of Alabama at Birmingham Health System announced it had paused in vitro fertilization, saying they're saddened but must evaluate the potential that our patients and our physicians could be prosecuted criminally or face punitive damages.
UAB is the first system to stop. I don't think it's going to be the last.
Goydell, who's not a patient at the UAB clinic, says she's continuing her treatments as long as her clinic allows.
I've already been so poked and prodded with the IVF process, and now I feel like there's somebody else who's coming into my personal life.
Goydell says if she ends up with extra embryos, she hopes to move them out of Alabama. I'm Emily Schmidt reporting.